Always interesting to hear out what market veteran Ramdev Agarwal has to say about the markets. And with the bull run pretty much intact, us moving from strength to strength on the index, it's an interesting take that Ramdev Agarwal has when it comes to his top themes, his top stocks, as well as what his outlook is for the markets. So he's basically of the view that in Q1 of the calendar year 2020, that was nothing short of a nightmare. In fact, he said for investors, that has definitely been something like a black swan event. But the kind of recovery that we saw after that has definitely taken him by surprise. In fact, he believes that the Indian economic recovery is likely to continue going into 2021, and he believes that we will see new age participation in the Indian markets. In fact, new age investors, according to Ramdev Agarwal, are going to further increase volatility, and that's going to be expected in the markets going into the new year. In terms of COVID-led disruptions, he believes that COVID has faster growth opportunities when it comes to the IT sector, and he's particularly said that the IT space can be called the second Y2K moment, or the opportunities that COVID has given are the second Y2K moment for the IT sector as a whole. In fact, Ramdev Agarwal is also of the view that there will be three large pockets of value migration, and that's largely going to be within IT, private sector banks, as well as a rapid pace from PSU banks, which are likely to gain market share. And he also added the telecom space is looking quite opportunistic. In fact, he believes that the opportunity for the IT and software companies has changed completely. Companies across geographies, big and small, definitely want to digitize their operations. Work from home has changed the entire cost structure as well of these IT players and the way talent is deployed. And he believes that the next 10 years will see the IT services industry gaining both when it comes to scale as well as momentum, and it's going to be a huge opportunity for growth. Apart from that, he believes that new age companies which have high quality franchise with great possibilities and growth opportunities can do very well in the next 5 to 10 years. So these new age digital companies, or digitally powered companies as Ramdev refers them to, they could be reporting very low profits, like even 50 to 100 crores today, or to even no profits. But if they are high quality franchise, it will not be much time for most of these companies to grow. So definitely have faith in some of these companies for the long haul. He also believes that telecom has seen a migration from fixed line to wireless, and now you're seeing migration to data-driven telephony. This is going to be one of the consumer-facing businesses. Consolidation in the industry is the name of the game, but there will be an improvement. We will see value creation. He believes that the top two players are neck to neck. The third player is definitely struggling, but there is opportunity. He continues to remain very bullish on Bharti Airtel, given its strong earnings outlook, the potential tariff hikes, and well-capitalized balance sheet.